So guys, do you also want to block ads from your WhatsApp? Actually, it has been noticed from last couple of updates. Nowadays, when we open our WhatsApp, we find a lot of ads in home screen. Similarly, when we click on status portion, then we see that below our status some ads are shown. These ads are quite annoying. This is one thing. We talk about another concern, then we find when we try to hide any chat in your WhatsApp, and thereafter what happens when we type in the same name or number in the search box, what happens, our chat is shown over there. Then what is the benefit to hide the chat? Another thing is that in earlier versions where in your WhatsApp we found that app lock was available, but nowadays what is happening when we are using your WhatsApp, then we don't find app lock. Means if we want to lock this application, we need to download external app from the Play Store. Other things are there, especially we talk about that, like if you want to enable custom privacy, then custom privacy is also not available directly in your WhatsApp, and especially voice changer also not available. If you want to enable these all the options, like you want to block ads from your WhatsApp, you want to enable hide chat feature, you want to you want to remove especially, and if you want to enable app lock and you want to enable voice changer, how would you do that? Today in this video I'm going to tell you how can you block ads from your WhatsApp. So let's start our video and we will reach our mobile screen where I'll tell you step by step everything. So guys, firstly let me show you that because I have made all the settings which are required to block ads. I have made all the settings. When I click on your WhatsApp, you can see that I have opened my your WhatsApp. In the home screen you can see that I have just scrolled down and you have not found any ads shown here. Similarly, if I click on set status, you can see that because I have not shared any status so far, so here you can see that status are not here because I have made just setting right now. That's why it is also there, because just before some time I just made all the settings. That's why if someone will update a status right now, then I'll see it. So means that ads are not shown here. That's always a great thing. Second thing, if we talk about, we were talking about some issues, like as I'm going to hide any chat, especially if I click here, I got this number, and when I'll try to hide this chat, so I'll just long press on this number and thereafter I'll click here and thereafter I click on hide chat. Once when I click on hide chat and I follow the security pattern, I will just check it out that you can see that so that chat is not shown here. I'll just show you the same numbers I have hidden. I'll click here and then I'll just follow the security pattern. You can see here, means that hide chat is properly working. Let me unhide it first and thereafter we'll talk about other features. Click here and then unhide chat and now follow the security pattern. Means hide chat is properly working now. Ads are not shown and hide chat is working. Let's talk about another features. When I click here and then I click on three dots, you can see below there is an option of lock conversation. So if you click on this option, then what will happen, you will find three options here. You can lock your conversation using pattern, pin, or you can go for the fingerprint scanner. So here I have chosen pattern. I'll just give pattern again and I'll lock it. Now this conversation has been logged. What will happen if anyone will try to again open this, he will have to or she will have to follow the security pattern. So because I have followed the pattern so you can see that I unlock it. Similarly, I want to unlock, then I'll click here and I'll unlock the conversation. You have to give the same pattern that you have given. If you have given the password like in the form of pin, you have to give the password in the form of pin. Let's talk about another feature. When I click here, you can see that the voice changer option is available. We were talking about that in earlier video. You saw that the voice changer option was not there, but here in this after making all the settings, you can see that the voice changer is here and properly working. Let's talk about another features. When I click here, you can see that when I click on top here, the custom privacy option is available. Once when you enable it, what will happen, you can particularly make privacy for a particular contact. You can hide blue ticks, you can hide second tick, you can hide blue microphone, you can hide typing, hide recording, hide view status, and hide anti-delete messages. You can see that this is only for a particular contact. If you want to make it for a particular contact, you can make it. So this is a very cool feature that has been added after the making changes that I'm going to tell you what kind of changes you have to make in the settings section. Let's talk about another feature. Click here, then go to FM modes. Here what you have to do, click here privacy and security and just scroll down. In the bottom you can see that app lock is available now. WhatsApp lock, you can see here WhatsApp lock is available. You can enable it, and thereafter you can give fingerprint, pattern or pin, whatever you want you can give it. So now let's talk about, because how would you get these all the benefits? How would you block the ads? How will you enable proper hide chat and also the app lock? If you want to make all these settings and after that you want to use it in this way, then few steps that you have to follow. First thing, if your data is quite important, then make sure that you take a proper data backup in Google Drive or whatever cloud storage you are going to use. In my case, I'm going to take backup in cloud storage like Google Drive. I'll show you also how to take backup in cloud storage, and after that I'll just update my application and mail proper settings so that the data will not be lost. So just to enable these kind of settings, first we need to take a backup. I'll open my WhatsApp, and thereafter we have to press on three dots on the top, click here and then go to the setting portion. So you can see that I have clicked on setting portion, and thereafter you can see that there is an option of chats. You have to click on chat portion, and once when I click on chat portion, you can see chat backup is available here. So just click on chat backup, and thereafter you will find some options are here. Like as you have to add your Google account, and thereafter you have to take backup in Google. So what I'm going to do, I'll just click on Google accounts, and here I have chosen the you may say the email ID. So here I'm going to take backup. What you have to do, you have to add your email account from here. So now I have taken I have added Google account. Now what will I do? I'll just go back and I'll take backup. So I'll click on backup. After clicking on backup, what will happen? All the data will be transferred to my Google account. I'll come out of this application, and thereafter I'll just uninstall this application. Now you can see that I'll just come out and I'll long press on this application, and thereafter I'll long press on this application, and thereafter what will happen? I'll just uninstall this. Now you have to visit to the description portion. You will find an application, WhatsApp latest version 8.86. You have to download that application, and after downloadation of that application you have to install it, and you have to register. Once when you register, you will find that because it also asks you for the access of Google Drive. When you provide Google access, then what will happen? All the data will be transferred. Click on backup and restore, and what will happen when you click on restore, all the data of your Google account will be transferred to your WhatsApp. Now you can see that all the chats are here, ads are not shown here. You can see that all the data, if you take proper backup in Google account, then all the data will be quite safe. Now you can click on status, and you can see that ads are not shown here. Means now I have blocked ads, and I have made all the settings which are required. Make sure that you take proper backup and restore. If you don't know, then don't try. Guys, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and also subscribe our channel if you are new to our channel. And also don't forget to press the bell icon so that if we upload any video, you get the notification. This is all about today. Very soon we'll see again. For the time being, bye bye and take care.